What's going on, everyone? It's the Print House. We're in a different spot, and today I'm going to be showing you how to load custom firmware onto your 3D printer. First off, guys, please give me a like, a subscribe, ring the bell, put some comments below. All of them are really helpful to me. I love the interaction. It's fantastic. Thank you guys very much for all of that. So the first thing that we're going to do is you're going to need to go ahead and get your SD card and your adapter in case you need one. And so from there, go ahead and plug your SD card into the computer and go to the the website that is below. So this is for the BL Touch, okay? If you have other custom firmware, this will work as well, but I don't know where to download it. You obviously need to find out your other firmware. So if you're installing a BL Touch, go to the website below, and find whether you have the 4.2.2 board or the 4.2.7 board. If you don't know, it doesn't matter. I would recommend downloading 4.2.2, but you can't. If you download the wrong one, it can't hurt your printer. I did this. I didn't know which board I had. I downloaded 4.2.7. I loaded it onto my board, and my printer just wasn't working. So the motors weren't moving. It was very obvious. And so from there, I decided I would go download the 4.2.2 board. And so if the camera's moving, I apologize. My cat is deciding to sit on the camera. But anyway, guys, so go ahead and download the firmware you need. So I'm downloading the 4.2.2 BL Touch firmware, and then navigate to your downloads folder, and go ahead and extract these files. Now, the next thing, yes, go ahead and extract these. Now, the next thing that you're going to want to do is make a new folder. Doesn't really matter where. I'll make it on my desktop. And open up your SD card and copy all of your files into that new folder. So we're doing this because you need to have a completely blank SD card in order for the printer to accept the firmware and start to auto install it. So when this is done, you can go ahead and right click your drive and then do a format and start the format. Yes, it's gonna wipe everything. Okay. Once it is fully formatted, go ahead and navigate back to that download that you did. Find the bin file, and so let's see, open up your drive that you just formatted and go ahead and copy that onto your drive. And once it's on there, you can go ahead and eject that, and so you're done here. So now you've got your SD card, and this can now be plugged into your printer. Make sure your printer is turned off. So turn your printer off, plug it into your printer, then turn the printer on. When the printer turns on, it's going to automatically install the firmware, and you can go through a few checks to make sure that everything's working correctly. But once that's done, you can unplug this from the printer, plug it back in your computer, and those files that you copied over, you can then put them back on here, and you can start printing or doing whatever you need to do. Anyway, guys, I hope that helped. Once again, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, ring the bell. Please do it all. It's really helpful to me, and I love the amount of feedback I've been getting. So, anyway, guys, I will see you on the next one. Peace out.